Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's make a simple masala kushka which can be served for lunch along with plain tomato chutney, papad, pickle, egg or any side dish of your choice. To begin, I am making this in an electric cooker. Here I am taking 2 cups of sona masuri rice, giving that a good wash, and then into this goes a handful of frozen green peas, 1 green chili, few drops of lemon extract, mint leaves. In the whole spices goes 1 cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, 2 cardamom and a bay leaf. A pinch of cumin seeds. You can also add fennel seeds here. A teaspoonful of biryani masala, a tablespoonful of ghee, salt as per taste. I have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Now I'm adding double the quantity of rice, that is hot water. Here I've taken 2 cups of rice, hence added 4 cups of hot water, giving that a quick stir, and then I'm going to cook this until it is completely done. So here this is tomato chutney that I've made to serve along with the rice. This step is not mandatory, but I love doing it when I prepare any rice mix. I quickly give it a stir once the water has absorbed and then cook until it's done. So here our simple masala kushka rice in an electric cooker is ready. This can also be made in an open vessel. I'll share the recipe soon. I served this along with tomato chutney, 1 omelette, mango chutney pickle that I prepared at home. I have a recipe on my channel. You can also serve this along with papad and kebabs or any side dish of your choice. I hope you found this video helpful. Do try this. Thank you so much for watching.